Hi, I'm Mark Shipley, Community Development Director with the Town of Farragut. On August 31st at the Farragut Community Center, we will be conducting two public workshops, one at 11:30, the other at 5:30, to solicit public input on our mixed-use town center. And today we'll be taking a tour of the mixed-use town center and the area that it comprises, and noting some of the key features and developments within the area. So the Town of Farragut is now looking for input from the public on the vision plan for a part of the town called the Mixed-Use Town Center. The Mixed-Use Town Center is a portion of the town that's kind of bounded by the Coles development to the west, and it goes eastward to Concord Road, mostly along Kingston Pike. And mixed use, what that means is it's a type of development that has a mixture of different classifications of uses. Like typically you'd have a residential component and a commercial component. And usually the nature of that type of development is different from more traditional developments that we typically see in suburban areas. The buildings are closer to the street, they're more pedestrian oriented as opposed to older or more traditional commercial developments that are kind of single use, that have the buildings further back from the street with parking between the street and the building. The area around the intersection of Kingston Pike and Campbell Station Road has changed pretty significantly in recent years. We've had redevelopment of older kind of abandoned spaces, like it's now here at the Starbucks project of Farragut Gateway, and then on the other side of Kingston Pike we have the 35 North project, and those were both consistent with the vision of a mixed-use town center, but the buildings brought up closer to the street and more pedestrian scale. We hope you can attend one of the two public workshops on August 31st to help us guide the future of the mixed-use town center. Your input would certainly be greatly appreciated. Thank you.